We've got a nice underrated fight. Jacob Bank against Almir Shkriyeli. Almir Shkriyeli is fighting out of Podgorica, Montenegro, and Almir Shkriyeli holds notable victories over Alexander Kuvac, Leon Maric, and lost to Kasim Gashi, Grigor Sarukian, but the guy is dominant on the local circuit, and this is the greatest challenge of his career. Jacob Bank 10-0, undefeated 22, very much of a young gun, and he destroyed Taras Golovashchenko. He was better than Rafael Bejaran, Aidas Ridzal, and many other high-level opponents. He was fighting good competition, but we mustn't underestimate Almir Shkriyeli, as Almir has powerful right hand, and he will go for all or nothing. I mean, he's just that type of a fighter. He will go for a finish, and I believe Almir could actually pull out an upset in this one. Side call, though, the fight takes place in Denmark, and if it goes the distance, I assume they are going to give it to Jacob, unless Almir dominates. So, side call is Jacob Bank to win, but guys, don't be surprised if Almir Shkreli knocks him out cold. He's got big right hand.